Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss 5 points that can help your child sleep better. So let's start. So the first point is no screens. I think it is extremely important for kids to switch to no screen mode from evening because that is the time when in most households both the parents are free from work. When screen time is unsupervised, kids end up pushing their bedtime back, causing them to lose their precious minutes or even hours of sleep. In my household, I avoid screen for my daughter after 5 because by then I finish my office work and can dedicate good time with her. Too much screen time interfere in real learning and creativity. Before bedtime, I make sure I read to her. We both are addicted to reading before sleeping, and it's a great addiction, trust me. A nighttime book shared with your child when they are snugly and ready for bed is the perfect time for cuddles and to bond. Also, make it cozy memories that will last for a lifetime. Talk about the day, talking to children about what happened during the entire day, what activities they did, how they felt, are they feeling low or missing out something, or what special they wanted to plan for next day or weekend. All these things might sound small or unnecessary, but they play a major role in terms of your bonding with the child. So it's very important to discuss these while going to the bed. When Shania turned 2 and started talking a little bit, I started doing this with her, and she used to be so excited for this conversation with Mama. And she used to ask me everything and try using little sentences and new words explaining her cute little things, what she did today, how she brushed her teeth, what she liked for breakfast, what she wants me to cook next day. One thing I regularly do is to give a nighttime massage to my daughter. I always use a nice warm oil according to the weather, and she loves it. So in summers I will use coconut oil, and winters I can use olive oil, almond oil, or something like that. I just warm it up and give her a nice back massage, foot massage, or a head massage to improve blood circulation, and she sleeps much better after that. So next point is printed routines. Routines play a major role in conditioning the minds of kids. The repetition of simple routine activities make them feel independent. I have a lovely morning and nighttime routine printed and laminated, and I've pasted it outside her bathroom so she can see it first thing in the morning, and she enjoys checking the list to see what all she has done and like what is left. Since it's a laminated paper, so she keeps sticking them with a marker and rubs it or sticks some stickers to the task she has done or something that is left out. It's kind of fun activity for her, and she loves doing it. So guys, do try this at home with your child. So next is special milk. If your child likes a milk at night, make it a super drink. I keep trying different milk recipes for all of us according to the weather. Like in winters, I make dry fruit milk or kesar milk, or just kesar, nutmeg, and cinnamon milk, or sometimes turmeric milk with honey or something like that. And you can even try ginger and honey milk when your child is having cough or sore throat. In my family, we all are milk lovers, so we keep trying different recipes with it, and it really helps sleep better. So here goes a cute little bedtime story. Enjoy. The Going to Bed book. The sun has set not long ago. Now everybody goes below to take a bath in one big tub with soap all over, scrub, scrub, scrub. They hang their towels on the wall and find their pajamas big and small. With some on top and some beneath, they brush and brush and brush their teeth. And when moon is on the rise, they all go up to exercise. And down once more, but not so fast, they are on their way to bed at last. The day is done, they say good night, and somebody turns off the light. The moon is high, the sea is deep, they rock and rock and rock to sleep. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope these points help your child sleep better. Bye bye.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.